Welcome back to Camera Crate. Today we're taking an extensive look at the Panasonic Lumix FZ80D. Released in August 2024, this bridge camera aims to be the ultimate all-in-one solution for photographers on a budget. Priced at approximately $700, it occupies a unique spot in the market. It's designed for those who want the versatility of a massive zoom without the complexity of an interchangeable lens system. The centerpiece of this camera is undoubtedly its 60x optical zoom lens. This takes you from an ultra-wide 20mm to a staggering 1200mm telephoto reach. Starting at 20mm is a significant advantage. It allows for expansive landscape shots and architectural photography that many other bridge cameras simply can't capture at their wider ends. At the other end, 1200mm gives you incredible reach for distant wildlife and sports. This equivalent focal length would require massive, heavy, and very expensive lenses on a full-frame system. Shooting at 1200mm handheld is challenging, which is why Panasonic included Power OIS. This optical image stabilizer is essential for keeping your framing steady at extreme zoom. The lens features a variable aperture. It's a relatively bright f2.8 at the wide end, but as you zoom in, it closes down to f5.9 at the full telephoto extension. Under the hood, the FZ80D uses an 18.1 megapixel high sensitivity MOS sensor. It's a 1/2.3 inch sensor, which is the standard size for cameras in this category. Powered by the Venus engine, the camera processes images to balance detail and noise reduction. It's tuned to get the most out of the small sensor, especially in good lighting conditions. We need to talk about ISO performance. While it handles base ISO beautifully, you will start to see noise as you push the sensitivity higher, which is a physical reality of the smaller sensor size. Video is a strong point here. You get 4K recording at 30 frames per second. This high resolution allows for much more detail than standard 1080p, which is great for future-proofing your memories. The 4K photo mode is a standout feature. It allows you to record a 30 frame per second burst of 4K video and then extract an 8 megapixel still image of the perfect moment. Expanding on that is post-focus and focus stacking. You can actually choose your focus point after you've taken the shot, or combine multiple frames for incredible depth of field in macro photography. Speaking of macro, the FZ80D can focus as close as 1 centimeter from your subject. This allows for stunning close-ups of flowers, insects, or technical components. One of the most significant upgrades in the D model is the electronic viewfinder. It's been boosted to a 2.36 million OLED display, offering a much more natural viewing experience. The rear monitor has also seen a major bump in resolution to 1.84 million dots. This 3-inch touchscreen makes menu navigation and touch focusing incredibly intuitive. In terms of handling, the FZ80D feels very much like a miniature DSLR. It has a deep, comfortable grip and well-placed physical dials that provide a tactile shooting experience. The build quality is solid, with a textured finish that provides extra security. All the buttons are thoughtfully placed for quick access to essential settings like exposure and focus. A massive functional upgrade is the transition to USB-C charging. This modern standard means you can charge your camera using the same cables as your smartphone or even a power bank. However, it's important to note some connectivity trade-offs. The FZ80D does not feature Wi-Fi or Bluetooth, so you'll be relying on physical card transfers or the USB-C port for data. Battery life is respectable for a camera of this size, but if you're planning a full day of heavy 4K video and zoom shooting, carrying a spare battery or a power bank is a smart move. The camera uses Panasonic's DFD technology for autofocus. This depth from defocus system calculates subject distance quickly, providing snappy focus for most everyday subjects. For capturing action, you get a burst rate of 10 frames per second with fixed focus or 6 frames per second with continuous autofocus. This makes it capable for basic sports and wildlife. Is this a good beginner camera? Absolutely. The intelligent auto mode takes the guesswork out of photography while still allowing you to grow into full manual controls. The biggest advantage for a beginner is the all-in-one nature. You don't have to worry about lens compatibility, sensor cleaning, or the high cost of building a lens collection. For travelers, this is an incredible tool. You have everything from wide-angle vistas to tight portraits and distant detail in a single, relatively light package that fits in a small bag. Bird watchers and wildlife enthusiasts on a budget will find the 1200mm reach transformative. It allows you to observe subjects without disturbing them. We must be realistic about the small sensor in low light. Indoors or at dusk, the image quality will degrade more quickly than a larger sensor camera. It's a trade-off for that massive zoom. To help in dim conditions, there is a built-in pop-up flash. It's useful for fill flash in portraits or close-range subjects when the ambient light just isn't enough. For those who like to experiment, there are numerous creative control modes and filters built in, allowing you to stylize your shots directly in camera without needing a computer. Panasonic's menu system is well regarded for being logical and easy to navigate. With the touchscreen, finding and changing settings is a fast, frustration-free experience. Weighing in at around 616 grams, it's portable enough to carry all day without the neck strain associated with larger DSLR or mirrorless kits. The upgrades to the viewfinder, LCD, and the move to USB-C makes it a much more refined and modern feeling. At $700, the value proposition is strong. You are getting a massive amount of optical technology and 4K features that are hard to beat at this price point. To recap the technical specs, 18.1 megapixel sensor, 60 times optical zoom, 4K video, and those vital screen and viewfinder upgrades. It's a solid package. The pros are clear, incredible zoom range, excellent 4K features, and modernized hardware. It's a highly versatile tool for daytime photography and video. The cons include the inherent low light limitations of the small sensor and the absence of wireless connectivity, which might be a deal breaker for some modern workflows. Ultimately, the Panasonic Lumix FZ80D remains one of the best bridge cameras for those who prioritize zoom reach and value above all else. It is a fantastic entry point into the hobby. If you are a traveler, a beginner, or a wildlife enthusiast looking for a powerful all-in-one solution without breaking the bank, the FZ80D should be high on your list. Thanks for watching this deep dive at Camera Crate.